I had to get it that dent. It was driving me nuts every time I walked past it. Hey, so today was a good day. I got the doors off, and here, I'll spin the camera on and I'll show you guys what I got up to today. Check this out. Oh, sorry to be nauseating. Bring that into there. So the front now is stripped. All the plastics off of it. Whoa, wrong way. So that's all stripped off of there. Doors are off. Here, I'll go back a little ways. Okay, so doors are off. Front grill's off. Everything in the interior, all the interior's out. All the interior's out of the front. Look at how easy it is to work on this thing. There's all the engine. And then back here, there's your transmission. So you can pretty much get at everything. So I got to give this thing a real good bath. There's some cancer starting in here. There's some cancer starting in here that I want to deal with. And so I'll deal with that while it's apart. When I give this thing a paint job, I want those jams. I want these jams fairly nice. So, yeah, I'm going to clean it. I think Chris and them guys are going to come out tomorrow and do some work. So it'll be just like cleaning. I want to fix that little rust hole there. And then just get this inside totally spick and span, spotless clean. And then next week, this thing's getting painted, I hope. I don't see a reason why I shouldn't. One more week. I always say that. But I think actually this time here, like I'm actually really close. I might be able to actually pull it off here. Yeah, I might be able to pull it off. And then all these parts, I'll spin around one more time. So all these parts on the ground, I got to clean up. Some of them I'll take to the power washer. I'm not sure what to do about my seats. These seats are just haggard. Like, they're so nasty. And I don't think I'm going to put the back one in, actually. I think what I'm going to do is, because this back area is so big, like look at how big it is in here. Ooh, all the way across. It's miles away. So there's a lip here, and then over here there's a lip as well. And so I think if I build this right, I should be able to have some slide out boxes down low, and then have a bed in here so that I could sleep in it. That's what I'm thinking anyways. Well, I definitely want to be able to sleep in it. I'm just not sure how I want to go about it. Being it, like my seats are already ugly anyways, so it's not a big deal. Yeah, so tomorrow I gotta clean all this up. This is just nasty. There's like 13 years of four-wheeling in here, and like this guard thing, it was just gross. Like actually gross. Here it is here. And it's gross. Filled with roaches. Also unacceptable at the border. Like, that one little console area, there had to have been like 30 friggin' roaches in there. That would have been bad. Would have been super bad. So, we got that cleaned up. Everything's gonna be good and painted and sparkly fresh. So, yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna clean it. And a little more prep. Man, this truck's filled with BC hippie droppings. They are just everywhere in this thing. I guess I'd take that over mouse poop. Yeah, so yesterday was a good day. I got quite a bit done on the goat. And if you see behind me, the doors are off. and it's pretty much all stripped down. Here, I'll spin the camera around. And this is where we're at. So doors are off. That's all ready to be cleaned up. I wanted to be able to paint those door jambs. And basically I figured if I'm going to go to the time of painting this thing, the paint's really expensive. So I figured if I'm going to do it, I might as well do it right and pull the doors off and paint right into all the door jambs nice and do it proper. So I did find one little rust hole right there. And so I got to fix it up. I'm going to do that right now. And then on this seat here, there's a bit of cancer starting to show up in here on this seam. And so I'm going to clean and treat all that. And then down at the floor where the steering wheel is, that's where all the water would sort of sit most of the time. And so I got to clean all that up as well. And then we'll clean, prime, paint, all that stuff. And then it'll be good, I think. So that's my plan this morning, is to get into fixing that one hole and then clean this thing. And I really would like to, my camera's going crazy. I'd like to paint this thing this week if I can. So, yeah, that's my plan. Okay, I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Okay. Gotta get this box off. Put up a fight. Put up a fight. Oh. This one's different. This one's tucked up in the frame somehow. Why would they be different? Oh, you bastards. Oh, damn it. How do we get it? That way. I can see it there. Chisel or an hammer punch, maybe I can. There's a piece of slag or something holding this. You got your light there? Maybe around. Punch and
knock the bolt out of the washer,
try that. Oh man, I'm so close.
Oh, it's off you. You got it.
I've been fighting this thing for a couple hours now.
You're off.
Oh, that one's off. And what about this side?
They're both off, yeah.
Oh, okay.
We're
Well
just rubbing
then.
on the cat now, I think.
So that's
Oh, your snorkel.
Oh yeah, we gotta undo that.
What else attaches to the box?
I don't know. Lights, I guess. Would have snipped those because they're pretty beat up.
This is.
Yeah, so we'll just undo that hose clamp right there. Fuck lead.
Oh yeah, you got license to bar back, didn't you?
Yeah, so I don't know, maybe we can just undo the clipper. What is this? Bungee from. Over the exhaust. I don't ever remember doing that. Hey, this is hidden under there.
Rotten money bird.
Yeah. Maybe we can delete this here. Maybe.
You taped all these lights off, you put them back in, right?
Yeah. Well, I don't know. Like if I could find some cool like motorbike lights or like something real cool to French into that spot, I'd like to. Phillips is what I need.
Looks like a 10 mil socket takes the whole light out.
Oh, well then let's try to take the whole light out maybe, if that's easier.
A lot easier is definitely switching wires, but they're all, if I snip them, it's gonna be snipped right at the fucking light, so it'll be hard to splice it back in.
Oh yeah, we don't want to do that. We don't want to totally screw ourselves for down the road. If I can avoid it anyways. Ah. Holes on this. Bastard. Can't stay tight if you're liquid. What the heck? I don't know what I have going on there, but okay, maybe I cut this one off a little bit. One of them has to go. Okay, well, how are you making out here?
The tail light hanging out.
Oh, dangler! We got dangler! Little dirty dangler.
Dirty hand.
Move these sort in the way. Oh, bugger. Phone's down, phone's down.
That one didn't go.
That's alright.
In.
That gasket's just swollen on there, eh?
Brown Street is not a 10 mil, 8 mil.
Oh, sweet, okay. Bam!
Okay, so there's one ground wire here. And she's off. Yeah, that wiring should stay with the truck.
Okay, so it'll come up on the button. The button. Well, I wonder if we should move some weight.
If we got too much of that,
Yeah.
like those fucking.
I'll come back down. I could take that dirt out, worst case. Okay, can you pull back on the lift so we don't bang my on the lift? Yeah. Beauty! I used to have a full rubber thing that just slowly got destroyed over time. Awesome! Winning! Okay, box is off. Got a place cleaned up a little bit. There's just a huge pile of stuff came out of it. Massive pile. And so yeah, she's ready now to sand out the back and give it a bit of a clean up before I paint it. But now I can paint all the way down to that back body line, and it won't look terrible. So yeah, and then I went around and I ground out all those little spots. So pretty much, except for that little back section right there, the truck's pretty much rust free now. Yeah, so I just got to cruise around now, finish the last little spots that I've missed, clean this all up and throw some paint on it, and it'll be good. Okay, we'll talk to you guys later. Well, end of the day. I got that back stripped off. We got the box off. So it was a good day. I got what I wanted done. I'll be back tomorrow.